Hey divas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome guys back. So if today is your first time, please feel free to subscribe, jump around, okay, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. So we are still taking students. If you want to join our online training class, so come and register, okay? So below the description box, my WhatsApp contact is there and my Instagram page is there. So if you don't want to WhatsApp me, then you can also DM me, send message via WhatsApp or send message via the Instagram and DM and ask for the price, because most of you are fond of asking price here on the comment section. Please, I'm not going to reply you. Send me a DM or send message through the WhatsApp and I'm going to send you the courses outline and everything. So I teach with recipe notes and I also teach with videos, and I'm still going to tell you where you can get your raw materials, and I'm still going to guide you. I'm still going to guide you when you start making your product. I'm still going to guide you, like maybe you make any formulation and you didn't do it well, or maybe video guys, we are making repair oil. Yes guys, so we are making skin repair oil. Get your book and get your pen. So most of you must have been familiar with this my book and pen of a thing. Yeah guys, so I really do not have time to be making videos, but this recipe are really they are really easy recipe. So I will just tell you the name of the product, tell you the measurements and how you can make them, and go ahead and sell it. I'm giving you free tickets, like sell it. I'm telling you with my full chest, sell it, because it is very, very effective. Okay, so today we are making glow oil guys. You can get your pen and get your book so that we can start. Sorry, not glow oil, repair oil. We are making repair oil guys. Okay, so we need 6 ingredients to make our repair oil. Okay, repair oil, we need 6 ingredients just to make our skin repair oil. When I mean skin repair oil, for most skin that have green veins, for most skin that have stretch mark, for most skin that have cellulite, for most skin that is already cracked. You know, some skin, when you see the body, like when you check your skin, you will be, even if when you rub cream on it, it will still be white. Or if you scratch your skin, you will just be seeing this white stuff on your finger when you scratch your skin. It is called cracked skin. So we are making this oil to repair the skin. It's called skin repair oil guys. So we need 6 ingredients, and I'm going to be telling you the name of the product, and I'm also going to be telling you the measurements that we are using and how you are going to make it. So the first ingredient the first ingredient in our list is our Shenic oil. Okay, the first ingredient is Shenic oil, which is the Shenic. They have Shenic stage 1 and they also have Shenic stage 2. Guys, we are using Shenic stage 2 oil. Okay, Shenic stage 2 oil, that is the first oil, and the other oil is the snail organ oil. Okay guys, we are using snail organ oil, and the second oil is the magic kenako oil, and the other oil also is turmeric oil, and the other oil is Tyclare oil, and we are also using the vitamin E oil. So I'm going to be telling you the measurements, and I'm going to be telling you the benefits of each oil. Each oil, they have their functions, they have the work that they do. Okay, so for the Shenic oil, we need 2 tablespoons of the Shenic oil. Shenic stage 2, we need 2 tablespoons of the Shenic stage 2 oil. So the reason why we are using the Shenic oil is because of stretch mark and for green vein. Remember I said this oil is for skin repair, so that is why we are using Shenic stage 2 oil. So we are using 2 tablespoons of the Shenic stage 2 oil. Okay, for the snail organ oil, we are using 2 tablespoons of the snail organ oil. Guys, take note, 2 tablespoons of the snail organ oil. Shenic oil is 2 tablespoons. The snail organ oil, we are using 2 tablespoons of the snail organ oil. And for the magic kenako oil, we are using 1 tablespoon of the magic kenako oil. Okay, 1 tablespoon of the magic kenako oil. Magic kenako oil is for green vein and for stretch mark. That one is perfectly for skin repair, for anybody that have green vein, stretch mark, especially on your leg, especially on your lap. Okay, so we are using 1 tablespoon of the magic kenako oil. Okay. And for the turmeric oil, guys, you can buy turmeric oil in the market. We are using 100 ml of the turmeric oil. Guys, you can buy turmeric oil from the market, or you can do your own DIY turmeric oil. So I think I have made turmeric oil here on my YouTube channel before, so you can just check it. Yeah, check it. I think I have done turmeric oil. Yes, I did it. I did turmeric oil, and I use coconut oil to do that turmeric oil. Okay, so you can just do your own turmeric oil. Just do the DIY turmeric oil instead of going to the market to buy turmeric oil. And if you want to do your own DIY turmeric oil, please try to use coconut oil, because coconut oil is really great when it comes to any skin that is already cracked, and when it comes to stretch mark, when it comes to vein. Okay, so you can use coconut oil to do your own DIY turmeric oil, or you just go to the market and buy turmeric oil. So we are using 100 grams of turmeric oil, guys. Okay, turmeric oil is the carrier oil that we are using here. Turmeric oil is the carrier oil that we are using here. Like, this is the pure carrier oil. So the other oil that we are using is Stretchmarks oil. We are using 2 tablespoons of the Stretchmarks oil. So Stretchmarks oil is for repair. It repairs the skin, and it also glows the skin. Mostly the function is for repair. Okay, Stretchmarks oil, you can call it oil, or you can also call it serum. So we are using 2 tablespoons of the Stretchmarks oil, and we are using 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So this vitamin E oil is going to help to expand the shelf life of this product that we are making. Okay, it's going to help to expand the shelf life of this product, so that your oil is not going to go rancid and start smelling, or rather maybe you will lose all the important benefit that you're going to get from this recipe. Okay, so guys, take note: Shenic oil 2 tablespoons, snail organ oil 2 tablespoons, and the magic kenako 1 tablespoon, turmeric oil 100 ml turmeric oil, and the Stretchmarks oil 2 tablespoons of Stretchmarks oil, and the vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. So you mix all this oil together. Simple. We are not cooking, we are not adding powders, we are not warming, we are not double boiling, nothing. We are not checking the pH, we are not adjusting the pH. Just mix your oils together, shake it, buckle it, shake everything, make sure that the oil is properly mixed together. Okay, so that the oil will not be separated from each other. Mix them together properly, label your oil, and call it your repair oil. Come back and thank me later. Yes, guys, come back and thank me later. Trust me, guys. Label your oil, sell it for people that mostly want to repair their legs. People that they are, maybe when you see some people, like if you check their legs on their knee side, back of their knee, you will be seeing some lines. You know, some lines will look like stretch mark, but it is not stretch mark. Some line will even look like veins, like green veins, but it is not green veins. But it will be looking like vein, but it is not green vein. You will just see the thing, and it's looking very ugly. And you see, you know, it's not looking beautiful. If you're putting on shorts, it's not looking beautiful at all. It is not looking beautiful at all. So those are the people that you're going to sell this oil for. Those are the people that can use this oil. So if you know that your leg is just perfect, nice, there's no need to use it. Or maybe you still want to use it to prevent anything like that, like to prevent. For they call it prevention is better than cure. Do you get it? So you can just mix this oil together and use it or sell it. So you call it your repair oil. You don't need to give it a fancy name like glow repair oil, bang 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 repair oil. Simple, just call it your repair oil, skin repair oil. That is it. And it is really effective, guys. Really effective. Go to the market, you can get this oil from the market. Just go to the market, you will see where they are selling cosmetic product, creams, anything. Go there and tell them you want this oil. Just write out the names of this product. You want this oil, and even if the person don't have it, you can go to another shop and still get it, okay? Or you can just screenshot the picture and go to the market with these pictures and get your products. Mix your oils together and you are good to go. Just come back, use this oil for 2 weeks, and come back and leave your comments on the comment section, okay? See, let me tell you something. Every product that we use on our skin, they start working as from 2 weeks. Give them as from 2 weeks. So don't think you will use a product today and the next day bam, or you use a product today and the 1 week time bam. No, patience is the key. Just be using your oil jejely. Use them in the morning, in the night before you go to bed. Also apply it on your skin, on that very part, okay? Apply it on that very part. And take note, guys, scrubbing is the key. I tell you, just try to make any sugar scrub in your house, and whenever you can scrub your skin, any part where you have those things, scrub it 3 times in a week. 3 times in a week, scrub. Apply your oil. So your oil is everyday thing. Apply it morning, apply it night. But for the scrubbing, scrub that part 3 times in a week and just be applying your product. You don't even need to apply much. Put a little on your hand, rub it together and apply it on that very area. And you're just going to be noticing how clear your skin is going to be coming out. How clear your skin is going to be coming out, okay? So make your oil, go and sell it and make money, guys. With my full chest, make your oil, go and sell it and make money, guys. So that is it. If you have any question, the comment section, just ask your question and I'm going to reply back. Yes, guys. So I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.